Stop tolerating all that dumb fucking middle class bullshit of getting a job and school and university. It's all bullshit. It's the whole system. It's rigged. It's designed to keep you poor. It's the world is run by the elites of the world, and the elites of the world, they pretty much control everything from the education systems, governments, um, school systems, healthcare, all these government policies. They control all of this shit. So you need to cut the dumb shit bullshit mentality of going to work to get money, because that's just a load of shit. You know what I mean? It's just designed to keep you poor. Then you got taxes. They can't help themselves. They have to butt fuck you in taxes. So you take home, it's not much. And then you got inflation through the roof, high interest rates. At least for the next few months at least. So you need to learn a skill that you can generate money, make money on your own time, have your own system, not have a dickhead, asshole, cocksucker, Aussie, dickhead boss, or whatever country you live in. You gotta work for yourself. You need to learn how to build wealth. That's the bottom line. That's why I create these videos to teach people how to become rich. Whether they watch it or not, that's up to them. I provide free content. I don't charge any money. So, I teach people cryptocurrency investing. Really fucking simple. All you need is $1,000 and your financial future is set. Come on, you don't need to go and spend $150,000 rewiring your mindset and all this shit. You just gotta take some action. You know what I mean? $1,000 is all you need for your financial future with cryptocurrency. Any of the ISO 222 cryptos, they will take off. You will turn your $1,000 into millions of dollars. I shit you not. If you follow me, listen to me, you'll come out on the other side. Just make sure you put your crypto on a hardware wallet. Your hardware wallet, put it in a Faraday bag. And you're safe. And that's it. And then once that shit pops off, you can stake that shit. Then you'll be financially free. You won't have to go to your shitty bullshit job that you hate. You can travel the world, look after your family, eat good food. You don't have to tolerate all that dumb fucking bullshit, middle class ass shit designed to keep you poor. But that's why I do what I do. That's why I try to, teach people so they don't have to put up with that crap. Because nobody's fucking doing it. There's very few people on YouTube that do it for free, and I'm one of them. You know what I mean? Buy some gold and silver. Maybe do 50-50 mix. 50% crypto, 50% gold and silver. Gold and silver do well because because of the revaluation coming up. Central banks around the world have been buying up that shit. So, another couple of years, they'll probably do well. 2025 or 2030, you know what I mean? I don't know when exactly it's going to pop off, but I know it'll do well. It's tangible. Now, why are banks accumulating that shit, the central banks? Why are they accumulating tons of gold? You gotta ask yourself that question. Because they're gonna kill the US dollar, The USDT, the US dollar is going bye-bye by 2030, diminish in value. They call it de-dollarization. So we got all this, so we will have a CBDC, central bank digital currency. So, basically with that shit, it's all electronic. It'll use distributed ledger technology, i.e. XRP, XLM, maybe a bit of XDC and any of the ISO 222 cryptos. Predominantly XRP and XLM for the most part, which I teach in my videos. So can you imagine trillions of dollars flowing through one system? I mean, it's not designed to be cheap, so that crypto is just gonna fucking go. You'll be rich. $1,000 is all you need right now. While crypto is cheap, they're telling you crypto bad, and I'm telling you crypto good. Because the amount of industrial use case for blockchain, you know what I mean? You know, cross-border payment, asset tokenization, NFTs, healthcare, I think even weather, like blockchain weather monitoring, cyber security, telecom, all the metaverse shit. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna do well. It's gonna do well. They just want to flush you out. They want to keep you poor, and I'm trying to help you become rich. You know. Yeah, I'd really appreciate if you liked and subscribe the channel so you can so we can spread the word across so other people have the chance to see my videos and learn from it. I'm not really asking for much, you know, just so that it actually benefits other people, you know, so they can learn what I know. You know what I mean? Don't sit on too much cash because there'll probably be a banking crash coming up soon because they're gonna have the great reset. Um, so there might become a day where you can't access your cash. So keep some cash on hand, and also keep some cash on hand for when the crypto market crashes, so you can buy in on the cheap. So that's where the real money's be made. I mean, if you don't have crypto now, just buy $1,000 of XRP or XLM, XTC, any of the ISO 222 cryptos. Put in the hardware wallet Faraday bag, set it and forget it. But if you really want to accumulate, you really want to build some real shackles, some real wealth, keep some cash on the sidelines or keep accumulating. When that thing crashes, that's when you can really load up the truck. You know what I mean? Just be aware of the deposit limit on some exchanges, yeah? Just make sure you got it all figured out. They're not teaching you this. I'm one of the very few. Me, Crypto How, you know, maybe Lift Capital. We're the only ones that teach this shit. No, nobody else is doing it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Yeah, please watch the rest of my videos. You know, just for your own benefit, so you can learn something from it. You know, change your life. Don't tolerate all that dumb fucking middle class bullshit. It's going to work, and then when you come back from work, you're exhausted. Then you're gonna bring the stupid kids to soccer training and all that shit. You know. Then by the time you come back, you only have an hour for yourself. You know, what a load of shit. You should be able to live life on your terms. Anyway, best of luck.